going to office every single day and thinking about how to get ready in a short time with good products that will not budge throughout the day can be a little bit difficult when you don't know what products to use. But today I have brought to you this look that I have created under 5 minutes using only Daughter Earth products, and you won't believe that I have only used 4 products. First product that I'm using is the Blue Light Mist from Daughter Earth. It comes in a beautiful glass packaging which is stunning, and it gives a really good mist when you spray it. It has all these amazing ingredients like haritaki, tara fruit extract, and it has this beautiful mild floral scent which is really good. You can use it before or after makeup or your skincare routine or any time of the day whenever your skin feels dry, because it's extremely hydrating on the skin. That I have this Daughter Earth concealer. It's in the shade Latte, and so if you are closer to my skin tone, you can obviously go for this shade. This concealer is so beautiful. First of all, let me talk about the packaging. You guys also love it, right? My first thought was the packaging. It's so nice, so beautiful. It has all these amazing ingredients like coffee seed extract, argan oil, cocoa butter. That's why the concealer is so hydrating under the eyes. It has a really good texture and such a beautiful consistency. It doesn't feel drying at all. So some concealer like this, these kind of concealers which has consistency like a creamy concealer can feel a little bit dry, but this doesn't at all. So I hope you can see the difference, that it did a really good job covering my under eye dark circles. You can also use your brush or your fingers to blend this out. It is so easy to blend, and I didn't even set it with a powder. It quite self-setting, so that's really good. After that, I have this lip and cheek tint from them. It has this nice texture. You can see how pigmented and so hydrating it is. And I have this in the shade Cosmic Nude. These are beeswax free. It's really hydrating, easy to blend with, easy to work with, stays like, it looks matte, like completely matte, and it has this texture that will not move, and it sets pretty quickly. It will not be hard for you to blend. So what I like to do is this, I take my stippling brush and then I really work my way on my skin, and it's really easy like this, but you can also use your fingers. But for me, using a brush is convenient really. And also I tried this and it worked really well. I used my eyeshadow brush and applied it on my eyelids. So kind of like, if you are going with coordinated, like color coordinated outfits, then you can try this. It worked and didn't collect in one place. It's, as I told you, it sets really quickly. And after that, I have this stunning lipstick, guys. This is so beautiful. It's in the shade Gypsy Rose. It's from their phytonutrient lipstick range. It is a bullet lipstick, but the consistency is like a complete matte lipstick. You can see that how pigmented it is. The shade is perfect for everyday use. I think for all Indian skin tones it will look really good. And that formula is really nice, guys. So hydrated. All these products are so hydrated. Like, if you are carrying this in your bag, you can use it any time of the day if you need to touch up, and it will not be like crunchy or dry. The formula is so beautiful, and I am sure that you're going to love this. I hope you guys liked how I created this look, and you're going to try this. And all the products details will be in my description box. Please don't forget to check them out, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. I love you guys. Bye.